Hey, it's Adele from Let's Get Inkie, and peeps are on the final page. The final page of a journal is the best feel. Actually, no, the best feeling is having it finished and flippity-flappeting through it. But we're on the final page, and what thing to document than the day that I smuggled a basketball into the hospital. It's not a basketball, it's violet, and it's so round. And so I am documenting the before and after of November 8th, 2019. And I'm starting off with this giant photo of me and my giant belly on the left-hand side as the before option. And then I have a little selfie that I took that I sent to my mum before we went into theatre. And so I had to include that as well. I've got a offcut from the previous video where I made some tip-ins. This is just tip-in territory at the moment. These 3 pages, they all have tip-ins. And so this I'm going with we're going to call it the paper hinge technique. Might have a proper name, but that's what I'm going to call it. Where I just folded up a bit of the paper and then I am sticking some washi tape over the top, just because, as you know, if you watch the previous journaling video, we don't trust washi tape ever. We don't ever trust it. We were very lucky in the theatre room. Aaron had the camera with him, and one of the midwives actually grabbed it and took photos for us, which was really lovely. We didn't ask them to or expect them to at all. And so that was really lovely. We got video footage as well. Did we have video? We got video with Arch. I don't know if we got video with Vi, but we did get a lot of photos. And I was really grateful for that. So shout out to the midwives and theatre staff out there that do little things like that make a world of difference for parents and things. So I'm just using my Tombow brush marker here to do before and after. Not that, you could tell at all. It wasn't blatantly obvious what the before and after was. And then I'm sticking a few of these clear stickers. I'm a little annoyed at this last crepe paper collection that I just got. I love crepe paper, but I do not love clear stickers. They are not my jam. And it had clear stickers on this 6x12 pack, which they usually have cardstock ones, and it also had clear stickers in the sticker book. So I'm overrun with clear stickers at the moment, and so I'm trying to use them all up. So you probably will see them a lot in future journaling videos until I can destroy the package and be done with them, because I just find clear stickers so difficult in scrapbooking, because quite often I'm working on a pattern paper background and it's too chaotic to put a clear sticker on and have you be able to still see the clear sticker. And so traveler's notebooks are good because you're playing with a literal blank page behind. So yeah, a little bit easier that way. I'm adding a smidge of journaling, and you can see I'm using a different pen. Now, do I know what that pen's called? No, but it was in my big pen haul that I did over here recently. When I say recently, it was before the Inkie June Marathon. And I can't remember what it is. There's one of them that I really like is Juice, and the other one starts with an S. I will tell you in the next journal video. I don't have the pen in front of me right now. I'm in a different room. But I will tell you in the next journal video. Or if you really want to know, write a comment and I'll comment back to you. But we've done the final page. Like I said in the previous video, there wasn't a ton that I wanted to actually journal. I've done a lot of that in my scrapbook album. And so these were just to capture the memories. So that is the happy dance of this whole album being done ski. And now we're on to the cover. So for my 3 previous Traveler's Notebook inserts, I have gone sticker crazy on the front cover. And it's a really great way for me to use up a lot of these planner sticker books that have a lot of big blocks of patterns that you're meant to put in your happy planner. And I don't do that, so it's a really fab way to use up some stickers. So I'm starting off with, I really want to use this big frame that I keep plonking around everywhere, but because it's curved, I have to make sure that I stick under it first. Luckily, the adhesive is dodgy as, and so I can easily pick it back up and stick it back down. The adhesive on all of these stickers is dodgy as, and as you'll see, most of the stickers start to peel off the spine because it's curved and it just couldn't cope. And that's okay, because I will do a layer of clear contact over the top of this cover, which is vital if you are going to stick stickers on your journal covers like this. I think clear contact is the only way to go, because the chances that these guys will ping off one by one slowly and tortuously over the years is inevitable, and so I don't want to deal with that. And then I'm going through, after I've done the big patterny ones, and I'm just finding words that kind of fit the feeling of this insert, and just I like to put the stickers on the corners where the patterned stickers join, just to cover up, like you can see there's that turquoisey just there where I stuck that sticker. You can see there that was a bit of an awkward, corner, and so I'm plonking them around everywhere. I have a hair that has stuck itself. I have really long hair at the moment. I'm about to chop it all off, but I have really long hair, and one of the hairs stuck itself across the cover, and so I do battle with pulling it out several times, so I'm sorry for that. It's just life with long hair. When I used to have really, really long hair, my hair used to be down to my mid-thigh, and Aaron used to get so frustrated because he would often get a hair stuck on his hand. He'd put his hand down somewhere and a hair would get stuck and it would be attached, wrapped around all of his fingers, and my hair gets everywhere. So I'm adding a few little tiny stickers now, and then I'm coming in with something different because I just felt like it was a bit circly. This one's very circly, and that's okay. I love circles. They're a very flexible shape that can be used for lots of different occasions. I feel like circles are versatile, but we just needed a bit of something else. So I grabbed my favourite little flowers and I'm just sticking those around here, there and everywhere, just wherever I feel like there's a bit of an awkward gap, or that needs a bit of extra colour. I'm also trying hard to not cover up the words, but I do a few times and have to reposition things. And you can see there in the centre that I just stuck it back down again, but that gold "love this" right on the spine is coming off again. Yep, there it goes. And so now I punched out a circle of paper, and this is where I'll put my number. So this is the 4th insert I finished. If you want to see the other flip throughs, they're all here on YouTube if you're a new inklet. But we're up to, so this was process video number 69, journal with me. And so now we're on to 70. Oh boy, that's the next one. I've got a lot of process videos over here. So as you can see, they're all pinging off in the center. And then I made the mistake of opening the journal, and I do a little bit on the title page here in a moment, and the entire spine just ping, 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 all the stickers came apart. And I've left a tiny gap at the top there, but I have realized since then and stuck something over the top. But I did go back after this video finished because I don't have clear contact at the moment. I'll have to buy some this week. But I have put some double-sided tape temporarily under the stickers in the middle section, just to try and hope that they stay stuck on there before I can buy contact, because who knows with stickers, who knows. Thanks for joining today, peeps. I'll be up on Inkie Quill with a new video tomorrow. We're almost at the end of the Inkie June Marathon. I'm going to do some questions in a little bit too, so if you have any questions you want me to answer about anything, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!